Hai semuanya, sudah lama sekali ya sepertinya kami tidak camping. Dan hari ini karena Pak Sul sedang libur, jadi kami pun memutuskan untuk camping. Gimana nih kabar teman-teman semua? Semoga selalu dalam keadaan sehat ya. Nah, untuk camping kali ini kami masih memutuskan camping di sekitaran daerah Cikole nih teman-teman. Nah, kebetulan ada camping ground baru yang mungkin teman-teman semua juga sudah tahu ya. Nama tempatnya PANORAMA HillS. Nah, seperti apa camping kami kali ini di sana? Kalian saksikan terus ya video ini sampai dengan selesai. Semoga informasi yang nantinya kalian dapatkan bisa berguna buat teman-teman semua yang mau camping di lokasi ini. Terima kasih ya teman-teman.
Got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never say try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
harus kalau ke bawah aja ya. Kalau yang ke atas enggak begitu. Enggak usah lah. Ini enggak bakalan muat nanti. Hey Yen, keren.
Keren.
Kok nggak dengar aja? Sini.
Itu barang-barangnya. Ini ngapain dibawa-bawa?
Udah, sini kak.
Itunya nak. Sarungnya sayang.
Enggak. Kita tengah. Yang hijau ada 2.
Biru juga nggak apa-apa sih.
1, 2.
Mana sih? Jelek semua. Satu lagi. Galak loh, kata yang bilang mau coba. Nathan, jangan lewat jauh-jauh ya, nanti kena mobil ya nak. Iya, jangan jauh-jauh, nanti kalau kena mobil nggak boleh. Ya sayang. Ya udah biarin aja, nggak usah diambil. Ambil baru aja ya.
Sini.
Kiri kan masa lagi makan.
Widih.
Kotor jangan ya. Abang.
Jangan minum waktu nih. Nanti kita
Abang. Kan lagi itu, share. Rapiin celana ada celana. Ya.
Lunanya mana?
Hah?
Lunanya.
Nuna? Nuna?
Ayuna.
Oh, ayunan di sono.
Mana yang sini satu ya? Ih, kena di
Itu. Ya. Lah ya buru-buru. Jadi lama.
Sini tiangnya tuh.
Ya udah nggak makan.
Abang, nggak boleh lempar-lempar.
Nah, kalau yang ini nih teman-teman adalah camper van yang ada decknya ya, pakai deck. Jadi lebih nyaman sih kayaknya kalau bagian sini nih. Rekomendasi banget. Nah, ini adalah area untuk parkir mobilnya. Dan di sebelah sini tuh adalah kamar mandinya. Ya, masih dalam tahap pengembangan sih teman-teman. Ini kelihatan masih material bangunnya masih tersisa ya. Jadi masih dalam tahap pengerjaan.
ngeliat kalau